So Ravina, what happened? Did you pass?
I passed my test! Yay! I'm an official driver! Thank you, Sam. Thank you again.
You're welcome.
I owe it all to Sam and his patience.
Yes.
It calms me.
So congratulations. Big congrats to you. Always be safe out there.
Thank you, Sam.
No
I
problem.
remember everything you taught me.
Yeah.
Not just saying it, but I will put it into action.
Yeah. You remember, if you practice all the fundamentals of driving, you'll be good.
Yes.
You'll be safe, you know.
Thanks.
Also, defensive driving skills, just like you gotta drive for others too.
True.
Somebody does something, you know, not good on the road, look out for those drivers that are, you know, not driving well. Ooh-wee.
So I'm happy as happy can be.
I remember 2 days ago I said to you that you are gonna pass.
Yes, I remember that.
So was it hard learning how to drive?
For nervous people, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Because when you're nervous, you're scared you're gonna do something wrong.
Yeah. I remember when I first picked you up, you said you was very nervous.
Yes. And I was shaking.
Yeah. So within 2 weeks, you're gonna get your license.
Okay.
So if you wanna let the viewers know, what was it that the examiner said in the vehicle? Like go do a play-by-play. What, you went in the car, you...
Mr. Tom, the instructor, asked me to sit in the car.
Oh, the examiner? Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Go ahead.
And adjust my mirrors. So I went in the car, it wasn't started, I did not. So he came in, he asked me, I said, no, you did not tell me to start a car. So he said, start the car and fix your mirrors. I did that, I fixed it, and then he said, when you're ready and it's clear to go, let's go. You're gonna go straight. I put on my left hand signal, and I put the car in drive and we went. Then he's like, you're gonna have to make a right. So I made a right. He said, I was too slow. I'm making the right turn. Then he said, at the light, you'll make a left turn. I did. He said your turn was too slow again. So we came to a one-way road, and he told me to make a right, but it was only going left. So I told him I cannot make a right since it's all going left. So he said, oh, good observation. Then we drove for a little while, and then he said, okay, pull over there and power that park for me. So I did that perfectly. He was like, that's great. But he said I did not look back too much. I was looking in the mirror, so I said, okay. Then we drove for like 2 more minutes on a straight road, and then he was like, can you pull over? And gave me a 3-point turn, which I did excellently. Thanks to Sam, who's been coaching me, teaching me, instructing me how to get it done right. So then he said, okay, let's go back to where we started. He directed me. It was only one right turn. I made it. I pulled over, and then he printed out. I was kind of nervous. Not kind of, really, really nervous. I'm still nervous, but not shaking as I was. And then he printed out the license or whatever you call that paper, that receipt. And he gave it to me, and he was like, you passed. And I was like, thank you. And I couldn't wait to get out, honestly.
Awesome.
That's all that happened.
Awesome.
Told you I'm not very good at doing speech.
That's all right. You see, you heard it, guys. What happens during the road test? What happens in the vehicle when you're inside the vehicle with the examiner? Thank you for that information.
You're welcome, Sam. How long was I gone, may I ask?
Oh, say about 10 minutes. Yeah, about 10 minutes. Yep. Later, guys. Take it easy.
Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to Sam's videos.
Driving lessons by Big Mac Sam.
Thank you guys for subscribing and continue watching Driving Lessons by Big Mac Sam. He's awesome.
Thank you. And I also have my name as Driving Lessons by BMS, which is short. And if they type in Driving Lessons by Big Mac Sam, same thing, it'll show up. And if they type in Big Mac Lessons, it will also show up. Later, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.